Well, I have to admit, this is probably the best part of filming basketball this season. Great kids. But the scenery. I love road trips.
So this trip in the early part of February takes us out to the Elwha River area, heading up the Strait of Juan to Fuca. From there we head out to Crescent Beach and Tongue Point, out on the actual Strait of Juan to Fuca. This gave me a chance to actually get some shots of surfers out in the surf. That's gotta be cold. This is where Salt Creek hits Crescent Bay. Beautiful area, great campsites, wonderful beach. February is such a great time to come because there's nobody else there. Today it's just me and the surf and the birds. What a beautiful way to spend a February morning. It's time for us to leave Crescent Bay, head inland up Salt Creek, about halfway to Lake Crescent, where we'll find Crescent School, film a basketball game. Go Cowboys. Oh yeah, might stop and have a Sasquatch burger for $32.50 on the way.